We never know exactly when a crime or even an accident is going to happen. That's why people install security cameras in the first place. But imagine this. You rush to check your footage after something happens and discover your cameras weren't recording. A camera lost power. The internet disconnected. The recorder stopped working. And no one noticed until it was too late. That's one of the most frustrating situations property owners face. Hello friends, I'm Michael from Sector 1 Security, and that's why we offer something essential for homeowners, business owners, HOAs, and property managers. Introducing Proactive Surveillance Health Monitoring. With Sector 1's monitoring service, your camera system constantly checks in with us. If a camera goes offline, loses power, stops recording, or drops internet, we know immediately. This is especially important for properties with multiple cameras, like neighborhood entrances, parking garages, swimming pools, clubhouses, schools and daycares, parks and playgrounds, places where security footage can make all the difference. We don't wait for you to discover a problem. We identify it and help solve it before it becomes one. No more manually checking cameras. No more wondering if your system is working. Just the peace of mind that your cameras are ready when it matters most. Let Sector 1 Security make sure your surveillance system is always protecting what matters most. Because when something happens, you want to know your cameras captured everything. And remember, don't wait until the little ninjas attack. Stop them in their tracks with surveillance health monitoring.
Sector 1 Security.